You must understand that Christianity is a life, not a religion. That means Christianity is the essence of God. Christianity is the essence of God, not a religion. I've seen people cry. I've seen people shed tears. The reason is because they don't know what powers them. They don't know what powers them. Do you know why you go out of power? The reason why you have power at age is because you don't know what powers you. For me, I said something some days ago. For me, I am not powered by a generator or NEPA light or BEDC. I am powered by a life called Zoe. That's why the Bible says in him was life, and that life was the light. So my light is not powered by a generator. My light is powered by a life called Zoe. So in him was life, and that life was the light of men. So when I'm shining my light, darkness cannot comprehend it because it is not powered by fuel. Neither is it powered by Nigeria NEPA. It is not powered by Betsy or any lighting system. My light is powered by life. It is called Zoe. The Zoe, the God kind of life. The life that makes God who He is. The life that makes God powerful. So when I shine, when I appear, it is not just me that appear. You find out that my life appear. You know why? What powers my life is a life. The reason why many of us may cry or maybe we are being pain consistently is because we don't know the life that is in us.